Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Knuckles and a T-Rex from Jurassic World as one character. It's going to be simple, easy, step by step, so let's go through it together right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the mixture of Knuckles and a T-Rex, so let's get started, okay? I'm going to go right over here, and I'm going to start with kind of the, let's say the front of it. The top of the T-Rex's mouth area. I'm going to go over here and pulling up. And I would say maybe even like, I know we're going fast right here. We're going to line over here for the far end eye right there. That's the brow of the T-Rex, pretty much. The top of the eye, right? That part that guards stuff from falling in. That's kind of the idea. So like rain doesn't fall right on your eyeball. We have a brow to kind of guard against that stuff. Gonna go curve over here, just on the eye. Maybe open eye right there. And what I'm gonna do is we're already gonna go into the dreadlock thing. So we're gonna go over here, pull back, out, down. Right there, which almost looks like just the regular neck, but we're gonna throw the regular neck in afterward. Line up over here on this side. Another dreadlock kind of thing that Knuckles has. Over here. Downward over here, pulling up. Downward over here, pulling up. By the way, don't forget to say hi and what's up in the comment section, or just put anything. I want to know you're there and I can say hi to you guys. So you got the back of Knuckles, top of his head right here with the T-Rex kind of. Let's go here and complete his eye. Line over here. And dot right there on the eye. Line right there, kind of like make him a little angry, not super angry. Line underneath. Downward over here. Downward right there into kind of the where the mouth of the T-Rex is going to open up. And over here. Line up a little bit, just kind of showing off that cheekbone a little bit. I think it's a little different on lizards or dinosaurs. On reptiles, it's called a jugo bone instead of the zygomatic arch. It's kind of like that cheekbone essentially. Gonna go down right here. Down right here. Down right here. So the T-Rex's, I would say his teeth were shaped like bananas. Like that's kind of like, think about that shape. It's kind of like not like a straight spike, right? It is like, you know, that kind of, you know, essentially banana shape. It's like slightly round, chomping kind of teeth, you know, that kind of stuff. Nasal cavity right there at the front. Back here, pull out. Downward over here for the bottom of the mouth, pulling up. I think that's a little bit long. I'm going to do this. And then back here. Line over here, down, 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 right here. For the back area, like so. And let's throw a little bit of the tongue in there. Nothing crazy. So let's throw some more, let me see, T-Rex stuff. So the back of it's regular, let's see, the neck of the T-Rex. Throat underneath. Right? I throw it underneath of the dinosaurs right there. Back out right there. Okay, cool. Curve right here, little bump on the side of it. So let's throw in some more knuckle-isms. So what would that be? So let's say, okay, let's throw, we're gonna find the front of the chest right there of the dinosaur, and then we're gonna draw a curve for the little arms down, up right here, right? We got the little tiny T-Rex arms, line over here, back up, but you guessed it, right? You must have guessed it. We're gonna draw the Knuckles gloves right here. Right there for the thumb. Outward over here. Spike. Down. Spike right there. Right on. Curving down. curving down over here. Back, there you go. Line over here. So, let's keep pushing into this guy. Let's set the other glove on the far side. That's the thumb on that side. Curve down, outward. Over here, spike, down. Over here, spike. Curve. Line. Line. Curve over here. And now let's just kind of find the anatomy of the T-Rex there a little bit of that area. Right here. And then maybe it goes down to the leg area, right? But we're not really gonna, we could draw one leg sticking forward right there, but we're not really gonna go all out as far as like the rest of his body. So what can we do on him now that we have him in front of us here? Let's draw like maybe some small lines over here on him, maybe small lines for texture, right? So maybe some areas of the mouth. Maybe we can draw a dark area right here under the neck, which is gonna make it, it's gonna make it much easier. All right, line right here. Line right here. And let's fill that out. Right now, see, at this point, it's literally just kind of extra details like shadow under the arm, you know, shadow in this area, maybe some, you know, lines right there for just, again, some indication of whatchamacallit, of the scales. That's pretty much what we're doing pretty much everywhere, but like everything is extra at this point. What I want you to do is hit the like button if you did, because it's really hard to do these things and draw at the same time. But also I want you to stick around because we're going to do another drawing lesson together right now, okay? So, oh, you know what? One thing I forgot. A little bit of dark back here to make it look a little bit 3D. I always talk about that. But I want to thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Alrighty? Let's do it right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.